Good morning, students. Today we are starting a new topic, that is Unit 12, which is, our topic is measures of length, mass and capacity. So this is our Unit 12, measures of length, mass and capacity. So, but today we will discuss the measures of length. Measures of length. Yes, students. Students, when we measure length, our higher unit is kilometer. Kilometer. Yes. When we measure length, our higher unit is kilometer. After this is hectometer. Hectometer. Then decameter. Decameter. Higher unit is kilometer. After this hectometer, decameter, then meter. Then meter. After meter is decimeter. Decimeter. Then centimeter. Centimeter. And smallest unit is millimeter. Millimeter. Dear students, when we measure length, our higher unit is kilometer, then hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, then millimeter. सबसे बड़ा किलोमीटर होता है, किलोमीटर से छोटा हेक्टोमीटर, हेक्टोमीटर से छोटा डेकामीटर, डेकामीटर से छोटा मीटर, देन मीटर से छोटा डेसीमीटर, डेसीमीटर से छोटा सेंटीमीटर और सबसे छोटा मिलीमीटर. क्लियर? किलोमीटर, हेक्टोमीटर, डेकामीटर, मीटर, डेसीमीटर, सेंटीमीटर, millimeter. Now we write the short form of these units. Short form of kilometer is km. Short form. If we write 10 kilometer, we will write as 10 km. It means 10 kilometer. Short form of kilometer is km. Hectometer, hm. Decameter, DAM. Decameter. Short form of decameter. Then for meter, we'll use M. Then beta decimeter, DM. Centimeter, CM. And millimeter, MM. So these are short forms of these units. Kilometer, km, hectometer, hm, decameter, DAM, meter, m, decimeter, dm, centimeter, cm, millimeter, mm. So these are all short forms of these units. Students, when we solve questions and discuss about these units, we will always use these short forms to write this. For kilometer km, hectometer hm, we always use these short forms in our questions. Clear, students? Next is how we can convert these units. How we can convert kilometer into meter, kilometer into millimeter. For this, we will prepare a table for this. Now, in this table, our sheet is divided into two parts. In first is unit, then value. Our units are kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Yes, friends? Now, how we can convert? When we convert higher unit into lower unit, जब आपने बड़े यूनिट से छोटे यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करना है, then multiply by 10 for each box. For example, if we convert kilometer into meter, suppose आप किलोमीटर से मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो, then count the steps 1, 2, 3. 3 steps. It means you multiply by 1000. 1, 2, 3, 1000. When we convert kilometer into meter, we will multiply by 1000. In other words, you can say in 1 kilometer, we have 1000 meters. Now, when we convert kilometer into hectometer, now convert kilometer into hectometer, we have only one step. So we will, in this case, we will multiply by 10. In 1 kilometer, we have 10 hectometer. Clear, students? Next, when we convert lower unit into higher unit, we will divide by 10 for each box. Now, opposite. If we will convert meter into kilometer, जब आप मीटर को किलोमीटर में कन्वर्ट करोगे, then we will divide by 1000. Clear? जब आप हायर यूनिट से बड़े यूनिट में से छोटे यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करोगे, then multiply by 10 for each box. जब आपने छोटे यूनिट से बड़े यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करना है, then divide by 10 for each box. Clear, students? I will also explain the easy method how we can prepare this table. For this, we'll learn a sentence: King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. Now write first letter of each word. King, Harry, died, mother didn't cry much. Write first letter of each word. King, K, Harry, H, died, D, mother, didn't, D, cry, C, much, M. Now write M, M, here D, A, M as it is, M, M, and M. Now our sequence is ready. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Yes, friends? Our sequence is ready. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. Now apply same rule. When we convert higher unit to lower unit, जब आपने बड़े यूनिट से छोटे यूनिट में कन्वर्ट करना है, then multiply by 10 for each box. When we convert lower unit to higher, divide by 10 for each box. Clear, students? Now, students, we will discuss few questions of exercise 44. Now, exercise 44. First question is, convert each of the followings into meters. So your first question is, convert into meters. Into meters. Now part A is have 5 kilometer. 5 kilometers. Students, in 1 kilometer, now we are converting kilometer into meters. In 1 kilometer, we have 1000 meters. So to convert 5 kilometer into meters, we will multiply 5 by 1000. 5 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 5000. So our answer is 5000 meters. Next is part B. 18 kilometer. Convert into meters. 18 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 18,000. So answer is 18,000 meter. Clear, students? Next is part C. 73 kilometer. 73 multiplied by 1000. 73,000. meter. Next is part D. 208 kilometer. 208 multiply by 1000, that is 2080. Answer is 2,08,000 meter. So student, this is first question of exercise 44. Dear students, next is second question. Second question is, convert into decimeter. Convert into decimeters. Short form is DM. So first question is part A, 8 meter. Yes, students. Now we are converting in meter into decimeter. Now observe this table. Now we are converting meter into decimeter. Now count. We have one step, one box. So to convert meter into decimeter, we will multiply by 10. In another word, in 1 meter, we have 10 decimeter. Yes, students? So to convert 8 meter into decimeter, we will multiply by 10. 8 multiply by 10 is 80. So our answer is 80. Yes, friends. Next is part B, 15 meters. 15 multiply by 10, 150. So answer is 150 dl. Yes, students. Next is part C. Part C is 51 meter. So simply 51 multiply by 10 is equal to 510 d. Dear students, part D, 314 meter. 314 multiply by 10, 3140. Yes, friends. Now we'll start third question. third question. Now, convert into centimeters. Convert into centimeters. Now, part A is 9 meter. 9 meter. In 1 meter, we have 100 centimeters. In 1 meter, now we are converting meter into centimeter. In 1 meter, we have 100 centimeters. So here we will multiply by 100. 9 multiplied by 100 is equal to 900. So our answer is, in 9 meter we have 900 centimeters. Part B is 17 meter. Now convert 17 meter into centimeters. 17 multiplied by 100 is equal to 1700 centimeters. Next is part C, 84 meter. 84 multiplied by 100 is equal to 8400 centimeters. Clear, students? Now, last part, 135 meter. 135 multiplied by 100 . So this is third question of exercise 44. Now, last question, question number 4. Question 4 is, convert each of the following into millimeter. Convert into millimeters. Millimeters. Now we have 7 centimeter. Part A. 7 centimeter. Now students, we are converting centimeter into millimeters. In 1 centimeter, we have 10 millimeters. In 1 centimeter, we have 10 millimeters. So to convert 7 centimeter into millimeters, we will multiply by 10. 7 multiplied by 10, 70 millimeter. Next is part B. Part B is 23 centimeter. 23 multiplied by 10 is equal to 230 millimeter. Next is part C. "65 centimeters multiply by then 650 millimeters." Now last question is 92 centimeter. 92 centimeter, 92 multiplied by 10 is 920 millimeter. So this is the last question of exercise 44. Now we'll discuss few questions of exercise 45. Now exercise 45. Same, convert into meters. First question, part A, convert into meters. Into meters. Now part A is 6 kilometer and 416 meter. Now convert 6 kilometer and 416 meters into meters. So in this question, students, first we will convert 6 kilometer into meters. Then add 416 as it is, because 416 already in meters. So in 1 kilometer we have 1000 meter. So simply multiply 6 by 1000, then add 416. Now 6000, 6 multiplied by 1000 is 6000 plus 416 is equal to 6416 meter. So in 6 kilometer, 416 meter, we have 6416 meter. Yes, students? One more example. Part B, 23 kilometer and 25 meter. Same, students, we'll convert 23 kilometer into meters, then add 25 as it is. 23 into 1000 plus 25. 23 into 1000, 23,000. Add 25. Now we have 230, 23,025 meters. In 23 kilometers and 25, we have 23,025 meters. So students, today your homework is solve exercise 44 in your fair notebooks. Thank you. Have a nice day.